Good morning. This is your language arts lesson for today. Since I can't be here, we're going to be working on finding the main idea again today, just like we did on Tuesday where we looked at the heading, but this time we're going to use a different strategy to find the main idea. So the main idea is the big important thing that the author wants you to learn from reading part of a book. And so today our strategy is going to be to pay attention to repeated words or pictures to find the main idea. And this helps us understand the information or what the author wants us to learn. So to do that, you're going to read a page, look for words that are repeated, and ask yourself, what about those words did this page teach me? And then you're going to use the repeated words in a full sentence. Remember, a main idea is a complete sentence. So I'll show you first from this book about swimming. I'll read a section and find the main idea. Goggles keep water out of a swimmer's eyes and help the swimmer see better underwater. Swim fins made of rubber can help a swimmer go faster. Some swimmers like to use paddles and kickboards because they help make swimmers stronger and also help them to float. Now I'm going to stop and think about what words I saw over and over again on this page. I saw the word help a lot on these pages. Look, I see it 4 different times. So I'm wondering, now I'm thinking about that word help and what the author wanted to teach me about swimming by using that word help over and over again. Well, maybe they wanted me to know, they were telling me about the different equipment or the things that a swimmer uses to help them swim, and they kept using that word help. So maybe the main idea is swimmers use equipment to help them swim better. So I use that repeated word in a complete sentence that tells what these pages were all about. Now it's your turn. We're going to read another page about swimmers. Look and see if you see any words that are repeated over and over again. Swimming is an event in the Summer Olympic Games. There are 16 events that women compete in. There are also 16 events for men. Swimmers spend many hours practicing to get ready for the Olympics. It takes hard work for a swimmer to prepare to compete in the Olympics. What words do you see repeated on this page? Did you notice the word Olympics? It happened 3 times on this page. That seems to be something that's really important that the author wants to teach us about. Can you make a sentence about this section using that word Olympics? Raise your hand and share your idea with the class. Here are some examples of main ideas that you might have found in that section about the Olympics. Swimmers work very hard to compete in the Olympics. Or, lots of swimmers want to go to the Olympics. Remember, a main idea, people might have make different sentences about the main idea, and that's okay. The main idea could be a lot of different things. So you might have come up with something different from either of those sentences using that word Olympics. So remember, as you read a page, look for words that are repeated, and then ask yourself, what about those words did this page teach me? And try and use those repeated words in a full sentence. That will help you find the main idea or what the author really wants you to learn from a nonfiction book. So you're going to go ahead and do your independent work, and I will see you at 11 o'clock for science.